guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a shoe review and unboxing of the Timberland Authentic 3-Eye Lug boat shoe. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Timberland Authentic hand-sewn boat shoe in the UK size 8, it's European 42, and it's US men's 8.5, and we got this in the medium brown full grain colorway, so that just means it's a leather upper. And we've taken a step back, and we're gonna review something that's not a sneaker, because guys, I know you guys are looking forward to most of the sneaker reviews here at Oneupreviewz. However, we do loads of shoes and boots, you know, that just don't happen to be sneakers. We do shoes as well, and what better shoe to do than the authentic Timberland 3-Eye Lug boat shoe? It's a mouthful, but you know, like Timberland do other boots, well, shoes in this case, that aren't that traditional New York boot. You know the one I'm talking about, that 6-inch premium one that they famously do. Well, another famous shoe of theirs is this boat shoe that we're gonna unbox for you right now. So here it is. There we go. So let's start with this outsole. So this outsole is the rubber outsole that you're so used to seeing from Timberland, you know, that 6-inch premium boot, and it's lugged, great for treading through the snow, ice, whatever the weather really. Unfortunately, I wouldn't recommend wearing these in the snow because then your feet will be really cold, but you'll have great traction because you've got the iconic lug outsole here. It's all rubber as well, want to mention. And the midsole unit as well, obviously it's the same, it's a lugged midsole unit, rubber. Wow, you're getting such high quality in these pair of boat shoes, and the way that it's stitched on as well. So the welting right there, it's proper hand sewn right there for you. So this is one of Timberland's iconic silhouettes, along with that traditional 6-inch boot. But I do see, like, to be fair, like, I'm inspired by my dad who wore a lot of these. So growing up, I've seen a lot of boat shoes in my lifetime, but I remember him always having a pair of these bad boys right here. Very stylish in my opinion. If you're looking for that preppy look, quite casual, this is the one that you go for. So the upper is made out of a full grain leather, and it's in this brown colorway. It's really dope. A traditional boat shoe build. So you got a lot of stitching there at the toe, stitching all over. You got, you know, the lace going around the shoe itself, very nicely padded as well around the ankle. The laces, you know, you've got boat shoe laces. It's essentially like a piece of rubber. 3-eye, because this is the 3-eye lug, and you've got a beautiful leather insole right there. So you got a leather lining insole, but just underneath that there is a EVA footbed for your comfort. Bits I want to show, so just the little detailing. So you got the Timberland tree logo on the lateral side here, and just on the inside as well you got the Timberland right there also. So if you're looking for that casual boat shoe aesthetic, you're looking for something to, you know, wear when you're on the decks or just casually out on the street, I do highly recommend these Timberland boat shoes. This is, to me, so you have your iconic Dr. Martens 8-eye 1460 boot. You know, that's akin to the Timberland 6-inch premium boot. Then you have your, what I'm going with, you'll see on, you'll get it why. Then, you know, you have the shoe version of that boot, of the Dr. Martens one. You have the shoe version for that Timberland boot essentially right here, but with a little more detailing. It's just not like a boot with the top taken off to make a shoe. You've got proper uses here. A lot of people who go on boats do wear the Timberland boat shoes. They swear by it because traditional boat shoes have a non-marking outsole, so it's barely any tread. But right here, you're getting all that, all that Timberland goodness. You can wear this through the sun, is what I'm trying to say. I don't recommend it personally unless you've got really thick socks, then go for it. But you've got all that Timberland heritage in this boat shoe right here. So I'm gonna try these on for you guys. I'm a bit weary about the size that I got because I think I got it a bit bigger than what I was meant to. We'll let you know in the on-feet review. So roll that footage of me trying these boat shoes on for you. I recommend going a half size down to what you usually wear for Timberland boots. I only say that because these kind of fit, and I'm wearing not really thick socks, but I'm wearing regular size socks. I don't know what the best way to describe the things, but the socks I'm wearing. However, these fit good in a UK size 8, which is a 42 European. But it is slipping a bit, and I'd wear thinner socks, maybe. Oh, okay, don't judge me. I might not wear socks with these at all on a summer's day. I know people in the comments might hate that, but listen, these are easy to slip on, just on your way. But no, these look really, really cool on. If you want that preppy look, a more kind of smart, casual look, I recommend you go for the Timberland boat shoes with the lug, and I'm feeling it. Honestly, I'm kind of feeling it. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.